this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own chalk paint. Now, I love chalk paint, but it's so expensive. It is just ridiculously expensive. But the good news is you can make your own chalk paint very inexpensively and so easy. So, and it goes on really well. It covers really well. It does just as good as the expensive stuff in the stores. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Okay. So the things you're going to need for this project today is 1 cup of latex-based paint. Be sure that it's latex because oil-based paint does not do well when you mix this with the plaster of Paris. I'm using a Sherwin-Williams Country White for this project today, so just be sure 1 cup of latex-based paint. You're also going to need 1/4 of a cup of very hot water, and you're going to need 1 tablespoon of plaster of Paris. Now you can buy plaster of Paris at Walmart, at your home improvement stores. You can order it online, but and you can get it in smaller containers. This large container was just like $4 and something, so it's less than $5. And it's good to have around because you can use plaster of Paris for a lot of different projects. But we're going to use 1 tablespoon for today's project. So, and then I have a whisk handy to mix mine up. So the first thing you're going to do is pour your paint into your paint cup, and you'll want to mix this in whatever you're going to use to paint from. And I say that because this does dry pretty fast, and so you'll want to try to get it onto your project as quick as possible. And so we're going to put 1 cup of paint in. Okay. Clean the paint up off the counter real quick. Okay. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of plaster of Paris. So 1 tablespoon of plaster of Paris. Okay. And then we're going to pour our hot water in. And then you just start mixing. You're going to notice that this gets a little bit grainy, and you're just going to want to keep mixing until you get a smooth, thin paint-like consistency. Make sure you scrape the bottom just in case any of that plaster of Paris fell to the bottom. Okay, and you can see it's just got a thin paint consistency like your regular latex paint. The difference is this has the plaster of Paris in it, which will create a chalk finish on our project today. So that is how you do that. And then after you paint your project with this, you just need to finish sealing it with either a wax, or I like to use polyacrylic. You just brush it on and it doesn't yellow and it seals it real well. With wax, a lot of times you have to redo it ever so often because the wax wears down, and so you have to redo it pretty often. But with polyacrylic you don't. It seals the paint in and leaves it a really nice finish. And it doesn't discolor your chalk paint, so which is a big plus, especially when you're using light colors like this. So, okay, this is mixed and ready for our project. And so I am going to get started on that. Be sure that you check in on our next